Well, welcome back.
It's been, what, 3 months now?
3 months. 3 very, very hard months. Murder.
Just a lot of work in 3 months.
Yeah. Anyways, we're back in Germany. We're back out here getting some more content. We're at some waterfall.
Don't know how to pronounce the name, not gonna try.
Not at all. Too much work. From what the pictures show, it's supposed to be pretty nice.
Drove 2 hours to get here, so it better be nice.
It better be nice. If not, I am going to...
I'm gonna push him in the water if it's trash.
I'm gonna scream.
You do that anyways. Case in point.
So, got a couple new things for the camera. Got a mic and got a little hand grip just to make the videos a little bit better.
You got a mic? Oh god, I hate myself.
Yeah. But, so hopefully the videos will be a lot better. Yeah. We're gonna go get the show on the road.
Let's fucking get to it. Don't look at me like that. Don't give me that.
Alright, fine.
Spin. Gotta do a quick hair fix?
Yeah.
Yeah! I'm worried about you.
Word.
What, you don't like my toe rock?
No, I don't like your toe rock.
Why not?
Good. It's gross.
I mean, they're in the water.
Yeah?
You're the one asking for my fucking OnlyFans just a minute ago.
So? We're gonna keep them on the down low.
Take these bad boys off. Yeah, probably smarter if you're gonna get your feet in the water. Yeah. Don't want to have wet shoes. It's easy to be wet. The camera can get a good look at my ass as you find nothing. There's a light up here. Wonder why? Yeah. Funny. Squishy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Baby, you guys can put this on the tree? Yeah. Moist. Very moist. Like to get quiet. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Over and can I have the size out? I hate you! Get my thick blanket. Get on, spot. Save! you want to play that game? I have a high club, remember? Bullshit. Now let's see if there's anyone else to get up the top. Trying to? Yeah. I'm enjoying this for this episode. Alright, yeah, same here. My feet are adjusted to the cold. That's great. So, that's probably a very bad idea. Oh, I'll just land on it. Okay. Oh. God! Damn! Enjoying yourself there? Because there's an apple. Don't forget, I think a week over there. Oh, that's right. Wow. We're gonna get a couple pictures too. One minute. Hey, hello. Who's there? Whoa. Not allowed to stop. Fuck. I saw your picture, please. What? God, I saw your picture. You saw mine? Not just. Oh, yeah, stupid. You keep getting me wet, I swear. I hate you. I've been hanging out under the waterfall. Of course you're gonna get wet. I don't care. There you go. What's going to do about it? I'm going to hold a puddle of water in an infinite supply. No. This is preposterous. You're preposterous. Shit. A little bit of water never hurt anybody. Give me what it's gonna do with the goddamn canteen commercial up there. All we got is one of the focus. Okay. I'll wait to go up that way until I can make it down. Yeah. Or do you just want to climb up there right now? What? You want to climb up there right now? Oh, I was just gonna move farther up this way. Alright, yeah, we're gonna go to the waterfall. Missed. What? I missed. What'd you try to do? Threw a stick at you. Asshole. Alright. I can tell you. Ah, that's smart for the camera from your face. I can't throw it at you. Hey, hey. Shut up, bitch. I think it smells really good. Ow! Not the body one, though. I feel like the real reason we have this channel is just so I can mercilessly roast you.
Yeah, probably.
In scenic spots.
And scenic spots.
Woo!
Nice. We definitely gotta get a couple pictures for the gram right here, bro.
Oh yeah.
For sure. chase waterfalls, not lakes and rivers, huh? Yes.
I'm the god of this waterfall.
Get up there then.
No, I don't like that. I'm enjoying being under the waterfall. Thank you.
First of all, I mean, the content spikes down.
My legs are a little wet.
Yeah, same here.
Wet. When are you gonna understand that doesn't bother me all that much? Yummy. There you go, embrace it.
Embrace it.
Let's see if I can get down without dying. Just grab one.
I think if you asked for water, I was like, damn, you're more braver than most. This way! This way!
So what?
This way! No! Let's go get back to the car.
You're just gonna shit yourself in the
Yes,
car?
I am.
Okay, and I can
I'm
put
going
it
to
in
shoot
the
myself excessively.
Okay.
What you gonna do about it?
Leave you?
He crop dusted on the way out.
I didn't crop dust this, I shit my pants.
Like, he actually had to go change his underwear because he shit himself excessively.
And?
That's bad.
Here, let's see. Make me the moistiest of boys.
Jesus Christ.
Well, do you want to do the fucking pics for the gram now or later?
Yeah, we'll do it now.
Okay, since we already got our shoes off. Yeah, we can just cut with shit and move on with our day.
Wow.
Ow, that was sharp. Sharper than me. There we go. Boom.
Hell yeah.
Back down from the top.
For the gram.
For the gram. I hate you.
Alright, wanna go that way?
See what I have to deal with on a daily basis?
It's not bad at all. You like it.
The only reason I like it is because you're less of a douchebag than Claire. Claire, if you're watching this, I apologize, but I mean it. Well, there's a trail right there.
Let's do it.
This is Blair Witch Project all over again.
Oh yeah.
That whole filming of that movie was so fucked up.
It was.
Yeah, let's just torture our cast members until they freak out and basically have a mental breakdown, and people actually think that
Something's going on.
yeah.
Because that's always nice. Want me to take it?
You're better at filming than I am. You said it yourself.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did.
Got Macklin.
You suck at filming.
You suck at filming. Hey, that's my thigh.
That's not your thigh. It's probably about the same size though.
Okay, so there's a lot of grass. Let's hope these are very nice plants.
Okay.
Not Groot. Oh, okay, never mind.
You just freaked out over a big
Yeah.
vine?
I thought it was one of those spiky boys.
One of the stinging nettles?
Yeah.
The spiky boys.
Alright, you want to go right or you want to go left? Left looks like a dead end, but so does the right.
Let's go left. Go
Okay.
I know doing anything straight's hard to do, baby.
Yeah, it is. It's in the thick of it!
I hate that audio with a passion. Like, I will skip videos just if I hear that.
Really?
I hate it so much.
Nice.
So fucking annoying.
Alright. tree.
If I wanted to hear stuff like that, I could go back and help my mom teach.
Hey Macklin, guess what?
7.
That too. You know what this is?
Tree?
Yes, it's a tree.
What kind of tree?
I don't know, it's a tree.
Pine tree, dumb shit. Look up.
Oh, it is. Alright, back on our journey.
Was that the whole reason you stopped?
Yeah. Goodness gracious.
Yeah, this video's gonna look like shit.
Oh yeah.
Fine, we can do some editing.
Yeah, we can do some editing.
I'm just the clickbait.
Clickbait.
I'm the eye candy. He's the actual brains of the operation.
Sometimes. Me and my half brain cell.
That's like 3/4.
3/4 of a brain cell? Okay. A little bit more credit. Oh yeah.
Glorious.
Glorious. And my shoe came untied.
Yeah, it came untied a while ago. I was just watching to see how long it'd take you.
It takes for me to trip.
To figure it out. Stupido. That's why my shoes don't have laces.
Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you, Swayze.
It's Shorzy. It's not. You don't add a fucking Jersey accent.
Oh, I'm sorry.
It's not Shorzy.
Swayze.
Fucking fuck you, Shorzy.
Fuck you, Swayze.
Give your balls a tug, kid fucker.
Jesus Christ.
That is the signature line, my friend.
Oh, there was a much easier path.
Well, we never said that we were smart.
We really aren't. All right, to the top.
Lost an IQ battle against a fucking post one time.
You did?
Yeah.
How'd that go?
Ooh, that's stinging nettle. I just lost it because I'm dumb.
Oh, that's nice.
I don't even know how because I was that dumb. I'm out of breath.
Same here.
You'd think I'd be in really good shape being in the army, but that's false.
Yeah, that's definitely false. I'm out of breath after like 5 steps.
I hate running. I can run from my fucking couch to the fridge to get another beer. But
Yeah, that's about it.
yeah.
That's 4 steps though. You don't get out of breath.
True. Look, they got a little railing for
A little railing. Ooh. Got some water.
Well, yeah, you have to have water for a while.
Yeah. Auction.
You say
Whatever that says.
Auction?
Auction. We were just down there.
Yeah. Now we're up here studying. As a child. Throw a rock at it.
Yes.
100 points to hit it.
Cool.
50 to hit it.
Oh, we can go over there.
You know what that looks like?
What?
Scenic spot.
I do.
It do be scenic.
We're going to a scenic spot.
I almost tripped myself.
Yeah, I saw that.
Funny, I don't have shoelaces and I still find a way to trip myself. What kind of back-assward sense does that make?
Not at all.
Oh, damn it. Tomorrow's a run day, isn't it?
Is it?
Well, we usually do it on Mondays. That rock was sharper than I thought. It's a little pokey. So Van Z went off to go to the bathroom, and I heard him scream. He disappeared. He even left his backpack. I don't know what to do. I'm gonna go back down this trail and see if I can find him. Getting this as proof, so just in case I die, somebody can find it. There's the bridge where his backpack was at. I don't see him though. Maybe down. Don't see anybody down there. Guess we'll cross the bridge and see. What the fuck is that? Y'all, I'm not fucking with this. He may have to just end up dying. It's just fucking scary. Whatever was right here is gone now. Oh shit, I'm gonna fucking die. Maybe I guess we'll go look for Van Z still. We can't leave him to die. I mean, I'm thinking about it, but can't have Mac and Mike without Mike, right? Hello?
Who goes there?
Fuck this, I'm out. Van Z, good luck, bud. I'm leaving. Oh shit. I don't know if I'm about to get molested or I don't know, I'm just gonna leave. Oh shit. Oh shit. So I found Van Z. He's a little shaken up, but I think he's kind of discovered his true self. I don't know if he's ever gonna be back to normal. So let's just see how this goes. Oh God.
Yeah. All right. Well, I'm back. I think I got bit by like a spider or something. You know,
bit by a wild retard. What happened?
Yeah, that too. Probably Sasquatch or some shit. Yeah, I'm back. Just got some mild side effects. Nothing that he can't take care of.
Yeah, like locking you in the trunk.
Yeah, perfect.
I know your kinky ass likes it.
Stop telling them my secrets.
It's part of the shenanigans, bud.
Gosh. Anyways, we're gonna go back so I can get cured.
And by cured, we're putting him down.
There's gonna be no more Mac and Mike.
There'll be no more Mac and Mike, but there's still gonna be a Mac.
Well, shit.
Well, shit. What's with you and the hair fixes every time you come over here?
I don't know.
Still looks like you got a mop on your head.
Yeah. Got kind of fingers. Oh well. So we just checked out this waterfall. It was pretty chill.
Absolutely gorgeous. Took a lot of great pictures. A lot of great video.
Really good pictures and good video. We're gonna be posting most of this on our Instagrams. Make sure you follow Macklin at
Connor Macklin 19, no spaces, all lowercase.
and then me at Michael Van Z, all lowercase. Give us a like.